I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts now for navigating through conversations and messages. So we should probably get our vocabulary straight. Each line in your inbox is a conversation. Conversations can be composed of multiple messages, like this conversation is composed of 3 different messages. So when you select a conversation and it's open and you want to move to a newer conversation, press the letter K. Notice my date here is changing so that I am going to be more current. So I'm moving to the newer conversations with the letter K, or I can use J to move through to older conversations. So if you get a lot of email and you just quickly need to move to the conversations, you can move through your inbox with J or K. So that's how you move through the conversations. Pressing the letter U will return you to your mailbox. When you're in a conversation composed of multiple messages, you can use N and P to select different messages. So notice I press P and it selects the previous message. This black triangle indicates where I am. So I've just selected the message from Abraham, and now if I press enter, for example, it would open the message. Again, I could press N. That selects the message from Chris, and I can press enter to open that message. U will return me to my mailbox. Notice I can also move to different conversations in my mailbox with this black arrow here. So I've selected this message from Google Calendar. Again, I can move the arrow up or down with K to go to newer ones and J to go to older conversations. And then once I've got a conversation, I have the arrow there. If I press O, it'll open that conversation. So again, I've done this whole video without even moving my mouse. If you want to see more keyboard shortcuts for moving through conversations, just press the question mark key and your keyboard shortcuts will appear on the screen. So those ones I just showed you was the navigation keyboard shortcuts. I'll go ahead and press close. And always check out the keyboard shortcut list, because as Google changes and Gmail has new features, they add new keyboard shortcuts that work with those new features.